Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to any wallet from Revolut. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, if you haven't downloaded or heard about Revolut, then you're lucky because we have a special link for you that you can install from. To download Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or until you see the first link in the comment section below. Once you go there and you click on it, you'll be invited to this page where you can sign up with your phone number from any country that you would like, and you will receive a referral bonus and the best method to transfer money on your accounts. Now, once you have that and you have Revolut open, all you have to do is go to the crypto section on the bottom right, as you can see right here, and then from there you're going to click on send. And then from here, you're going to select whatever cryptocurrency or exchange that you might want. So let's say Bitcoin. And then from here, you simply add the address of the people that you want to send the money from or yourself. So for me, for example, I have this, and you can send to your Phantom wallet or wallet or whatever you would like. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.